Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In last video student, we have covered the concept of database management system. This is chapter number 2, in which we are going to understand what is SQL, that is structured query language. The different topics are as follow, okay, which will cover video by video in next further videos. The topics are what is SQL, needs for SQL, how to create table, that will definitely new one video for you, how to add information, I am to say record in a table, select from where command, that is aggregate function, group by function, and having order by clause, update and delete command, alter and droppable command, and equijoin. So let's begin with the first part of the day. So introduction student. So here SQL, that is structured query language, is a standard language student for the accessing and manipulating the database. So student, as I teach you in earlier video in concept of database, so database actually a set of collection of the software that help us to manage our data in an organized manner and summarized manner. Okay, so SQL actually a language, that is structured query language, that helps us to accessing and manipulating database. It means to say it will allow us to modify the structure of database object also, like table, relation, okay, and also allow us to get the query, I mean to say get the result from that also, okay, as well as accessing facility also. So SQL command are used for create, transform and retrieve information from the relational database management system. As you know, EF code introduced the relational data model. So relational data model is actually based on table, that means to say set of row and column, okay, and their relation or relationship. So SQL works on the same particular database model only, that is relational database model. So SQL allow us to get the information, I mean to say retrieve the information, create a table and transfer the information from the relational database management system, okay. It also used to create interface between user and database. As we know student, database is a software, okay, or organized way to store the data, okay. So whenever we want to access the data, so SQL allow, I'm to say SQL provide us the interface between data access, okay, between you, I'm to say user and database. By using SQL command, one can search any kind of database, okay, data from the database, and perform other function like create table. So underline this one student. So like create table, add a record, modify data, remove table and remove data also. Here remove table is considered as drop table. So SQL command can be used for implementing the following. So these are the function of SQL command student. First step, I am to say first point says that SQL can retrieve data from database. Yes student, whenever we are going to store the data, we are definitely storing that data for further use it, okay. So further using for maybe retrieving also, it means to say getting the access for that also. So first point says that we can retrieve the data from the database. Second one, the SQL insert command, okay. So SQL allow us to insert the record in table database also, okay. When we are able to insert the data, then we can retrieve it. So it is one of the second function, that is we can insert the record in database. The third one, SQL can update record in database. Sometime it may be possible student, when we have entered the data, I am to say insert the data in a database with incorrect parameter. Suppose that a person having the age 29, okay, and we by mistake we have given 92 age. In such time we definitely update the record, okay. In that case SQL also provide us the facility to update the record also, I am to say correct the record also. The next one thing, SQL can delete record from the database. Yes student, suppose that in a school table you can consider example, if the student get the admission and after the 12th class he pass out, we definitely need to remove the record from our class table also, I am to say class register table also, okay. And SQL create new database. Yes, with the help of SQL command, we can create our new database as per according to our desires. It means to say our required, okay, of organization of forms. The next one thing, SQL can create new table in a database. Yes, it is basic particular function of the SQL which is covered under the DDL command, that is database, that is data definition language statement. Last one feature, SQL can create view in a database also. So student, here we can consider view actually a virtual table student. By that we can access the data through from the database, because there is no such type of information stored in a database which looks like view. Okay, so SQL allow us to show the data in a form of view, not the particular organized in a table. It will show you the data in a view only. So next part student, create table command. We will learn how to download the MySQL, okay, in your Windows operating system, and then after that I will start how to create table and further so on command. So till then today we have understand what is SQL, what it provide by facility, like what are the commands and what are the features what are the implementation we can do with the help of SQL. So I hope you have learned this student. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.